So, you want to power your home with clean, efficient and renewable energy from the sun, saving you money and the planet? Hiko Electrical has made it super easy for homes like yours with several solar system types that combine solar power, battery technology and the grid lines for power storage you can explore. The first is the hybrid system, where solar panels remain connected to the grid's power lines with a backup battery system to store excess power. When the sun hits the solar panels, it's converted to electricity that powers your home. But when it generates more power than your home needs, the excess is stored in the batteries. That is because solar energy production is at its peak during the day, with the sun shining directly on the panels while energy usage is relatively low. And when the battery is fully charged, the excess energy goes to the grids and you'll get paid for it. This hybrid system ensures you'll always have power in any situation. Next is the grid-tied system, which uses solar panels to generate electricity from sunlight to power your home. Excess power is exported to the local grid, and when the household requires more power, energy is drawn from the grid to make up for the shortfall. The final option is the off-grid system, which means you are disconnected entirely from the grid. The sun's energy absorbed by the solar panels goes through an inverter to create usable electricity. From there, electricity goes to your home or battery, so you can become entirely self-sufficient and self-efficient. Take control of your electricity needs today and save or earn money with solar. We give you honest estimates, fixed prices and no hidden costs.